feed my sourdough starter with me. So I leave this in the fridge until I want to use it, sometimes 2 weeks, sometimes 2 months, sometimes more. I start by taking it out. So I did that last night just to let it warm up, and you can see it's bubbly, but it does need fed. So I'm gonna do that so we can make some sandwich bread. Start by just using a wee little bit of the starter, and I'm gonna feed both of these. So I'm gonna feed this one and put it back in the fridge, and I'm gonna feed this one and put it on my counter to use. And I used to do all equal parts, but somebody told me to do like 1:5:5 ratio, and I think that works really well. I literally never measure anything, so I kind of just eyeball it. So I have my unbleached flour. So I kind of saw where that line is, so I'm gonna do about double of the amount of starter, a little bit more. So here's the starter, and then there's the flour, and then I'm gonna do the same amount of water as I have flour, so I'm gonna fill like about up to here, and I use pretty hot water. It seems to work well for me, so I'm just gonna fill it up with water. Okay, so I filled it up with water, so I have starter, the flour got packed down with the water, and then water. And then I'm gonna stir it up. I like the consistency to be a little bit thicker than you would make like pancake batter, but not as thick as fluffy waffles. So this is way too thick. If it's sticking like that, for me, it's way too thick. So I just go add a wee little bit of water. Okay, so I added a little bit more water, and it's definitely a lot better, the consistency. I'll show you. So this is a better consistency. It's a little bit runny, but I'll mix it up really well so there's no clumps. She's mixed and she looks like that. Okay, so then I just take my little piece of paper towel, rubber band it on the top, and I put my rubber band at the edge so I can see how much it rises. I like for it to get to double the size. So like double the size would be up here. If it doesn't get to double the size, I will feed it again. It should. I'll even do like a little bit under. I feel like that works fine. Do the exact same thing to this one, and then I'll let it rise a little bit and I'll put it back in the fridge, because at this point I only have a little bit of starter left. So I want to make sure that I have enough for next time. I've had my starter for almost 4 years, and I've been doing this and it works great every time. This is what it looks like. It doubled in size a little bit more, and this is perfect to bake with.